Hi guys, today we are going to do an experiment and our topic is air is everywhere. The things which we need are an empty glass bottle, a tub and water. The first step is fill the tub with water. Take the empty glass bottle and dip it inside to the water. Let's see the result. We saw that the bubbles were coming outside of the bottle. This means the air was everywhere. Wow!